Hey everyone, this is Stefan, and in this quick video tutorial I'll show you how to find your IP address on a Windows 10 PC. Start by opening the Start menu and then typing in Settings. Then you can either click the first result or just press Enter if you've highlighted it. Click the Network and Internet category. From there, if you're using a wired Ethernet connection, click the Ethernet subcategory and single click on the device you're using. In the Properties section, you'll find your IPv4 address, but if you're using Wi-Fi, you need to go to the Wi-Fi subcategory. From there, click on Hardware Properties and find the IPv4 address in the same location. For the more tech-savvy of you, you can also use Windows PowerShell or the command prompt to do this. Windows plus X will bring up the hidden menu from next to the Start menu, then select either PowerShell or CMD, whichever is available to you. Press Yes when prompted by Windows, and then type in ipconfig. Thanks for watching, and go to groovyPost.com for more.